My name is Marcus Stilthorpe. I'm the Managing Director of EcoChips Limited, a UK distributor of copier and printer chips to the European marketplace. We work very closely with our manufacturing partners to bring to market reliable, cost-effective reset chips, which enables cartridges that would otherwise end up in landfill to be repurposed. Every year, thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of cartridges end up in landfill, having a massive impact on our environment and our children's future. Due to a lack of support for purchasing these chips in Europe, EcoChips was formed on the back of our parent company, Technology Business Services Limited, an independent Xerox printer and copier service provider. We found 90% of manufacturing was performed in Asia, which led to communication issues with language, long lead times on stock, and costly packaging. So EcoChips was born to provide printer and copier chips from an English-speaking company. We hold thousands of reset chips in stock, normally delivered within 24 hours by Royal Mail, all supported by a UK-based team. Thank you for watching, and please take a look at our website for more information.